it's Caitlin here, the Frugal Millennial. So if you're like a number of millennials out there, you might not have an employer who offers health insurance, or you might be too old to be on your parents' health insurance plan, in which case you have to get insurance through the Obamacare Marketplace. Because this is actually happening to me, I have been doing a lot of research on choosing a plan and applying for health insurance under Obamacare. So I want to give you a couple tips on how to choose health insurance through the Obamacare Marketplace. So the first thing you want to figure out is when the open enrollment period is. In general, the open enrollment period is November 1st through December 15th, and that's so that you can get health insurance that starts on January 1st. Now, depending on which state you live in, the enrollment period might be a little bit longer, but it's going to at least be through December 15th. So stop delaying, and if you need health insurance for 2018, be sure to log on and figure it out now. So now that we know that, how do you choose a plan that's right for you? So the first thing you want to figure out is how often do you actually go to the doctor? So if you're like me, I go to the doctor twice a year. I go for an annual exam and I go for some sort of illness, pink eye, bronchitis, some sort of illness that I've contracted. And I don't take any prescription medicine, so in general, I don't really utilize the healthcare system that much. So people who don't use the healthcare system that much can choose a plan with a higher deductible but a lower monthly cost. So plans range from catastrophic, which means they have a really low monthly cost but a really high deductible, which means if you need a medical procedure, you'll be paying a lot of money for that, to platinum, where you pay a lot of money every month for coverage, but you pretty much have no other expenses other than the monthly health insurance payment. So you want to figure out what plan is right for you. The second thing you want to do is figure out how much you can afford. If your budget's pretty tight and you can't afford a lot, you're probably going to have to go with a plan with a low monthly cost, but a higher deductible in case something happens. Or if you have a lot of extra money in your cash and you want really good health insurance, you can spend a couple $100s a month for a really great plan. So knowing that I don't go to the doctor very much, but I also have a fair amount of income that I can spend on health insurance, I'm probably going to end up choosing a silver plan, which means it's right in the middle. It's a decent monthly payment, but if I have to go to the doctor or have some sort of medical expense, usually there'll just be a copay, which means I won't be out thousands of dollars. So if you are looking for insurance, make sure you sign up for the healthcare through Obamacare by December 15th, because after that, the enrollment period closes and you don't want to be uninsured, put yourself at risk, and face a tax penalty. So if you're looking for insurance under Obamacare, give this video a thumbs up, comment below with how your experience has been. I haven't had too terrible of an experience so far. It's been pretty painless. I expected it to be a lot worse. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay on top of all of my frugal tips.